For today's trading, I have selected only one stock, and that is Tata Motors. So let me tell you the reason why I have selected Tata Motors only. But before going into our regular video, I want to tell you that today I have traded this stock uh, by going beyond the traditional price action concept, and that is, you can say, an extension or a smart implementation of price action, because here I am going to trade against the market trend. So when you are going against the major trend, that means what kind of confirmation you need, that I will show you, and I will also tell you how to trade in this kind of scenario. As you know, if you are following the market from the morning, market is in down, and selling is actually dominating as of now in the market. Sellers are very in dominant mood, so buyers are currently weak. So the expected trade in this kind of scenario is go for short if you get any short signal, otherwise do not trade. But as you know, I am an opportunist trader. That means I will take each and every opportunity, whether it will come in according to the market or against the market, but I will trade logically and with more than expected confirmation. So let's start the video today. I will tell you each and everything very clear, crystal clear. Okay, so let's start. So for Tata Motors, dominating pressure in this stock is selling. You can clearly see it is a very clear that sellers are in driver mode as of now. So expected movement is an extension of the downtrend, as market also told me in the morning that please wait for a short signal. So I have waited for the short signal, but as soon as the days progress, uh, I was actually surprised that a buy call is going to generate in this stock. Even the market is in downtrend, but still a buy call maybe is the next trade that I am going to take. Why? So price of Tata Motors is coming down. The first bottom it created over here, you can see I have already done bottom one. It moved retraced till here and again came back and did not break this low. So double bottom, bottom first, bottom second. These bottoms are created. That means there is a clear sign of trend reversal. But this trend reversal must be supported by the market. So two opposite confirmation. First is dominating pressure is selling. Second confirmation is I am getting a double bottom. And most important in this double bottom pattern is that the second bottom uh, 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 is higher than the first bottom. So you can actually you can smell that buyers are in as of now in this stock, and quite in a stronger way. So first confirmation for me is when the when the low was tested, but it was not broken, and even the low was tested with much higher lower. So this was the first confirmation, first kind of smell that I smelled for buying. So as you know, I have already drawn a rectangle over here. This buildup was formed before price making a downtrend movement. So once the price came above this buildup zone and sustained, that means any a price action trader should wait for a buy call. So when we could buy, we should wait if the price reverse from previous buildup, and this buildup was on yesterday. So that I done. As soon as this four candle buildup was formed and this particular candle was formed, I entered in this stock with very small stop loss, and on 247 I booked my profit, as you can clearly see. And apart from all these signals, you can clearly see the first low, second low, third low, fourth low, and fifth low. Our low are higher lows. So you can clearly see the shifting, momentum shifting from selling to buying. So those who watch chart very you can say very closely, very calmly, that then they can understand what is going on in the market. See, market came first bottom, and this again this bottom it will was tested, but a little bit higher. Again this is a higher low, again this is a higher low, again this is a higher low. But if you can see, this is, see, first resistance, second resistance, and third resistance, and fourth resistance are at the same levels. So ascending triangle pattern was formed along with double bottom, and in the double bottom, second bottom was a quite higher. So a very clear momentum shifting from selling to buying. So this is you can say that smart price action implementations, where you are implementing the uh, concept from two different topics. That means I am using I am also using you can say trend reversal as well as the continuation pattern at the same time, along with the opposite market direction, because main direction for today is down, but I am implementing in upward momentum. So this is about today's trading. So again, I have uh, explained you what concept, what logic, and what is the result. And the conclusion or the lesson that I have learned today from this trade is that you must be very clear with your skills, your knowledge, and most important thing is the implementation. Implementation is the crucial part, or you can say is the shoulders in the market for you. Your implementation of your skill is the only shoulder on which you can rely or you can survive throughout the market. And this is all about today's trading. Thank you guys, keep trading. Please like, share and subscribe my video if you find my concept is good and helping you to learn the price action. Then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, keep trading, bye.